Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history. Begin by understanding the broad scope of history, focusing on major periods and their defining characteristics. Identify the most significant events, crucial dates, and the influential figures who shaped those times. It is also vital to grasp the cause and effect relationships between historical occurrences, as this provides a deeper understanding of why events unfolded as they did. To truly master history, employ active learning strategies. Construct detailed timelines to visually organize events in chronological order, which helps with recall. Use flashcards for quick memorization of key terms, dates, and names. Furthermore, participating in group discussions allows you to exchange ideas, consider different perspectives, and solidify your understanding of complex historical concepts. A critical aspect of studying history involves analyzing sources. Learn to distinguish between primary sources, like original documents, and secondary sources, such as textbooks. Always evaluate the author's perspective, potential biases, and their purpose in creating the source. Cross-reference information from several sources to ensure accuracy and develop a well-rounded understanding of historical events. For exam preparation, practice writing essay answers within strict time limits to improve speed and structure. Thoroughly review past examination papers to familiarize yourself with common question types and expected answer depth. Remember, consistent review is key to retaining information. The new Kindle Paperwhite is fantastic for reading historical texts and notes on the go. Be sure to check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.